Greetings of peace, my dear friends. Question and answer number 20, taken from the book titled Youth Catechism of the Catholic Church. Question: how can we respond to God when He speaks to us? Answer: to respond to God means to believe Him. Anyone who wants to believe needs a heart that is ready to listen. We can learn it from King Solomon in the first book of Kings, chapter 3, verse 9. In many ways, God seeks contact with us. In every human encounter, in every moving experience of nature, in every apparent coincidence, in every challenge, every suffering, there is a hidden message from God to us. He speaks even more clearly to us when He turns to us in His Word or in the voice of conscience. He addresses us as friends. Therefore, we too should respond as friends and believe Him, trust Him completely, learn to understand Him better and better, and accept His will without reservation. Like Mary, we have to respond saying, "Behold, I am the handmaid of the Lord. Let it be to me according to your word." Luke chapter 1, verse 38. We have to have faith, my dear friends. Jesus said, "If you have faith as a grain of mustard seed, you will say to this mountain, 'Move from here to there,' and it will move, and nothing will be impossible to you." Matthew chapter 17, verse 20. God bless you.